Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve an RLC series problem. Okay. In this question we discuss what is the possible scenario we can discuss. Okay. First of all, the question is given that a 4 ohm resistor is connected to a 10 millihenry inductor across a 100 volt 50 hertz voltage source. Okay. That means a resistor and inductor are connected to an AC supply, that is 100 volt. Okay, here the question asks to find first point is the impedance of the circuit, then input current. Okay, then third is the power factor of the circuit, then drop across resistor and inductor, individual voltage drop, then real power consumed, then total power. Bit by bit we going to find all the things. Okay, first we draw a circuit according to this question. Here the question given RL series circuit, so that we draw first RL series circuit, that is resistor and inductor. Okay, are connected with a AC supply, that is equal to 100 volt 50 hertz. That is or not, that value is 4 ohm and this is 10 millihenry. Okay, next we find what is the impedance of the circuit. We previously know that Z, the impedance equal to R square plus XL square. Okay, that is or not, we know R value, then we need to find XL value. Okay, so this XL value equal to, we know that XL equal to 2 pi FL. Okay, here is the F is the frequency, so put 2 pi into F is the 50 hertz into L is equal to 10 millihenry, so that 10 into minus 3, 10 to the minus 3. Okay, then when you calculate this, we got XL value is 3.14 ohm. 3.14 ohm. Then we can easily find Z value. Z equal to R square plus XL square. Okay, and if you cut in polar form, then it equal to angle equal to tan inverse XL by R. That is the polar form. Okay, this is the polar form. If you consider this is rectangular form, then R plus JXL. Okay, that is okay. So we find in polar form. Okay, this is polar form, this is rectangular. Okay, rectangular. Okay, so we find polar form. Okay, so that we put this value. Okay, this is R equal to 4 square plus XL is how much, 3.14 square angle tan inverse 3.14 divided by 4. Okay, this is equal to how much, this is equal to, when you got this is equal to 5.085. When you find this, okay, we got this angle equal to 38.13. okay, this much, 38.13 degree. Okay, this value is ohm, in ohm. Okay, our first bit is completed to impedance. Okay, find the, then second bit is to find input current. Okay, then input current, second bit is find input current. Okay, input current. For input current, okay, for finding input current, we know that I equal to, I equal to V by Z. Okay, here the V equal to how much, 100 volt, that is 100 volt angle 0. So voltage we take as reference. So then the Z equal to, that is how much, Z equal to 5.085 angle 38. Okay, 5.085 5 angle 38.13. Okay, so that this how this I equal to how much? This I equal to this I equal to 19.66 angle, this is offset, so that this is minus 38.13 ampere. Okay, where this is minus, this voltage, sorry, this current lag to the voltage by minus 38.13 degree. Okay, then we need to find power factor. Third point is power factor of the circuit. Okay, so for finding this power factor of the circuit, okay, power factor of the circuit, okay, we know that power factor equal to, power factor is cos phi. Okay, here the phi is the 38 point, so that cos 38, this is minus. Okay, no minus is mentioned to it. Okay, 38.13. okay, so we can find we got 0.7877, where it is lagging in nature because the angle is negative, or that you can say that it is an inductive circuit because resistor and inductor is only present, so that the circuit is going to lag, or we can say that current is lag by an angle 38.13 to the voltage. Okay, next fourth point is drop across resistor and inductor. Okay, drop across resistor in. Okay, so finding drop across resistor is equal to VR. V in VR, okay, voltage across resistor VR, that is equal to I into R. Okay, here we know that I equal to how much? That is 9.66 angle minus 38.113 into how much? R is 4. Okay, so you got 78.64 minus 38.13. okay, we know that in case of series resistor, voltage in resistor and current are in phase. Here the current is angle is minus 38.13 and voltage across resistor angle is minus 38. That is means it will in same angle. Okay, next we find voltage across inductor, that is equal to VL. Okay, we can write I into XL. Okay, we know that here the XL angle equal to 90 degree, because at 90 degree, if you convert this XL value into polar form, then we got XL equal to how much? 3.14 angle 90 degree. Okay, so we can multiply this to this. Okay, this is I equal to 19.66 angle minus 38.13. okay, minus 38.13. okay, into this much 3.14 angle 90 degree. Okay, for finding this, for complete this, we got VL equal to, we got 61.73 angle, this going to subtract. Okay, so that it is equal to 51.87 volt. Okay, we got this VL value. Next we got the this is fifth point, real power consumed in the circuit. Okay, we know that this real power is equal to fifth question, real power. Okay, we know that real power is equal to P equal to VI cos phi. Okay, we know that. Okay, so that we know the V equal to 100 into I equal to 19.66 into cos phi. We already find this cos phi 0.787, so that put this cos phi value 0.787. Okay, then we got 15.47 watt. Okay, then sixth point is need to find total power supplied. Total power supplied means here the RL series circuit, so total power is the both consumed by resistor and inductor. Okay, so that this is we call apparent power. Okay, this is the reactive apparent power, so that this is the total power. S equal to know that V into I, that is equal to 100 into 19.66. okay, this is equal to 1966 VA, volt ampere. Okay, from phasor diagram, from the voltage triangle, we know that this is the real power and this is the apparent power. This is P, this is Q, and this is the reactive and this is the apparent. This is the algebraic sum of the real and reactive power. Okay, this is the S, this is the value. Okay, this is the all about this question, RL series circuit. Okay, if you any doubt in this problem, please comment. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.